You're losing a bunch of cases. The government is losing constantly. If I were in your shoes, there is no way I'd approach the Supreme Court with this case.
Can President Trump end birthright citizenship? The Supreme Court just heard 3 different cases on these lawsuits. I listened, so you don't have to. Here's what you missed. Remember, the justices are not deciding whether President Trump or any president can limit birthright citizenship or anything else in the Constitution. They're deciding if court judges can block a president's executive order nationwide, or can they only block it for the people suing, challenging the order. Justice Kagan said if the courts can't rule for everybody, then every single person affected would have to sue one by one. Justices Thomas and Kavanaugh pointed out that nationwide injunctions or pausing presidential actions didn't really happen before the 1960s, and they want to know why they're happening so much more. One of the lawyers said that's because presidents are issuing way more executive orders than they ever have before. Justice Sotomayor said if the government is saying that lower courts cannot block presidential orders or actions they find illegal, that would mean the Supreme Court couldn't block a president either. The petitioner said the Constitution's 14th Amendment guarantees birthright citizenship, so of course a court can stop a president from ending it. The government said, no. Birthright citizenship was meant for former slaves and their children, not the children of non-citizens or visitors. Now, because this ruling is not directly about birthright citizenship, the Supreme Court's decision here will have a huge impact on all of President Trump's executive orders that are being challenged in court. So when will we know? We have no idea. The justices can rule anytime they want, and the session goes through October. Hope that helps. I'm Lena, your news anchor bestie. You can follow me if you care about this stuff.